The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. Yeah man, the Jamaica t-shirt just come in. Jamaica Good Life just come in. Right now it's hot. Get your exclusive Jamaica Good Life shirt at jamaicagoodlife.com. It just come in hot. It's so hot right now. T-shirt I wear itself. It's hot. jamaicagoodlife.com. Get your shirt right away. Exclusive. We'll pull it off soon. Only exclusive members for the fans. Them what they will do from day one. Hot. Yes, so me as a Randa says it's hot. Love. It's hot. It's so hot it a blow itself. It's hot.
In its natural state.
Natural state.
Natural
birds.
state, man.
Oh man, everything was relaxed.
That's the Black River Safari. See it there?
Black River Safari.
Like, it's a must see.
Is this the one with the floating bar?
No, we gotta travel. We gotta walk back to.
Little technique, you know? See what one sometimes people don't know. Them know. When you go places, you can't look like You see how me I walk, right? You see how me I walk, right? Nice hot sun today in St. Elizabeth. Thank you. Well, we are now headed to Pelican Bar, and then we're going to go to Treasure Beach. All right. You've experienced Pelican Bar before,
No.
right, Lambert?
Lambert?
No.
No. Oh, okay. That's a restaurant called Las Vegas.
You don't see it
Very expensive. High cuisine bar.
That's weird.
And the girls them want to eat you out, then they say, take me to Las Vegas.
When
It's
you-
foreign.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's on the outside. We're on the outside.
Las Vegas. Well, make sure remember that.
Yeah,
Jamaica, Jamaica, yes.
Well, that is Las Vegas you're talking about.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not the one in America.
Yes, people. Lambert's experience on Jamaica Good Life. So the good restaurants to feel ladies. Las Vegas.
There's a pool in the rest area.
Yes, yes, yes. Black River was great. Treasure Beach.
Should be going down to Park now. Right. All the way down.
Hey, Lambert. I do the thing big. Lambert, I do the thing big. Treasure Beach, you're on this. Okay. So, yo, Jonathan, right now we're near Treasure Beach. You need to send me a brother number or give me the address or give me the address to the hotel location. We need to take a tour of it if anybody around. Oh, we went to, this was good. Black River Treasure Beach. Wise Farm was close to that. For sale, 15 acres, right there, so. Trinity Jam. It's a new spot. So a Trinity couple, I built that.
No, maybe because you carry that brand.
Trinity Jam. No, that's nice. For sale. Lots. And where are we in right now?
There's a Pelican something.
Pelican.
Pelican something. Please.
All beachfront property. Jamaica is like no other place in the world. Woo! Here we go. Tour to Pelican Bar Hotel. Where must I from?
Pelican Bar, brother.
It's a Pelican Bar. Oh, a different way to get there, cheaper.
Pass it around here. Where look at boat we go over the Pelican Bar. We have to go further down. I don't know.
Yeah, down there, so.
Alright, cool.
That's why they look good.
So there was no big sign. Man, them place.
I give you one different thing where you see when they call you brother. You never know who we are up on.
That's right.
Never know. Boat tour to Pelican. I'm telling you so.
Yeah. Beach. Pelican Bar people, St. Elizabeth,
Take a view.
Birds View. Lovely Jamaica. Oh, nice.
And this one was also coming on empty-handed after losing the preceding
Beautiful. Thank you for the weather, sorry. Yes, this is Jamaica. Good life. Right. Good life. Enjoy your life, baby.
Let me see your hands before you hear like this. Let me go get you. Everybody got it. All right. Let me hear you say yeah.
Yeah. All right. Yes, Lord. I think we're moving now. You hear that music, Dolores? Dolores. I think that Jamaica Good Life is moving. All right. Yeah.
Why you gotta come middle with me? I'm sitting here patiently, quietly enjoying the element. And you come here. Why you can't behave yourself for longer than 5 minutes?
Come on. Hi. Earth, Wind, and Fire, Lambert. Get in your soul. Move your feet. Jamaica Good Life.
Roll over the elements, baby.
Oh, Deacon's in the house. What's up, run this?
Working now. All right. One time.
Lambert, a little bit more in the middle. Hi! That's right! Chase Brown! Ha! Every time this guy says, Jamaica Good Life! Yeah! Ha ha! Whoa! We're going back to Cuba, mama! We're going back to Cuba! I'm going back to Haiti! Haiti the other way. Oh, Haiti that way. I'm going to Panama. You know what? Take us to Africa. You know, take us back home. Take us back home! Take us back to Africa! I wanna go back home! Yo! Woo! How do you feel? Haha! You didn't know it was gonna be so awesome today, nigga! Did you know it was gonna be so awesome? On the boat! I'm so excited to have you! Did you know that this tour was gonna be so great? See with the Pelican and Randy and some man called Lambert. We did it, Lambert. It took 15 years to get here, but we're finally together as an African family. All unity and love. Yes. From all over the world. There goes the flag, people. There goes the flag. And we got a captain. We got a captain. We got a captain on board. There goes the flag, people. This is your home. Don't you ever walk away from your yard. Do not be afraid to come back on the yard. No effort. Let me that yard. Jamaica, good life without no blouse and skirt. We need tell you some you're going to come Pelican Bar. We need tell you some you're going to come. We need tell you some you're going to show up. We need tell you some you're going to go. They're going to bust up on the head with pretty Jamaica. Look how it nice. Lord, boy, we need tell you. We need warn them, Lambert. We need warn them. Say we. What is there such a thing as do happy? No! There's such a thing as do happy. Is there such a thing as do happy? Is there such a thing as do happy? No, there's no such thing as do happy.
We've been like this all day.
There's no such thing as do happy. This is Jamaica good life. There's no such thing as do. There is no such thing as do happy. No. Woo! I think them have to realize how excited this trip is.
They might.
This so nice. Okay. That's the one we are on. That's the one. People.
Yeah, we're running in the crowd, so we're blowing right on up.
This is the good life. This is Jamaica good life. This is the best. Jamaican. Oh man. Beautiful. We bring the music. This way. 45 minutes. You want to wait for me? You gonna wait? You gonna wait? Then you have to come for a drink. Come for a drink, alright?
Is in the house.
Deacon is here.
Hold on.
What's yourself? What's yourself, King? What's yourself?
Oh, you're falling down.
Hello.
Alright, you need to change your attitude or go sit by yourself so you can come back to me next.
Where's Sandy?
So what food you have done? Okay.
What's it called?
So how you feel? Whoa, whoa, don't move too fast. Do not move too fast. Okay, there you go. It's on your fingers, on your fingers.
Thank you.
Life at Pelican. What's the man name?
My name is Fly.
Fly. So now you started this journey. How? Why?
Actually, that's one of my just come up and building. And just like we used to live with this, from after 80,000 and then 80,000. Guys said if I turn it into a bar, then it would be a good place to turn into a bar. So exactly, I did. I was taking guests from Jake's in Chejabies to the river tour. And then he said a nice place to turn into a bar. So I do as he said. And from there, the rest is history.
Global, people from all over the world.
All over the world.
But how many come average?
It's just be very hard to determine, you know. But I know people from all over the world. And they all come because it is everyone's second home, away from home. So people from all over the universe gonna always keep coming.
Yes, yeah. And you're from St. Elizabeth?
Yeah, I'm from St. Elizabeth.
All the way.
All the way.
Yeah, so what's your center spirituality? What your foundation? What gave you the strength?
Well, to be honest, it was chosen by the strongest force behind the scene that it should be me who put in occupation at the Pelican Bar to really get to the level because it takes patience and it takes a principle and it takes enough freedom mind not to be and then you can keep a focus hard.
Balance. So we're going through the world, we're talking about this is Jamaica Good Life. Been 15 years I've been doing this back and forth, preserving the culture and things. So now this for me in St. Elizabeth, we went to the Black River. Now this, every time we move to Jamaica, we get a better and a better and a better and a better experience. So everything. So now you notice that there's this negative thing all over the media about Jamaica. What is your take on that? They might try paint Jamaica like it's the worst place. But we know.
But there are two things. When someone starts to get wise, they call it crazy. So Jamaica is so good and great that they start to call it worse. So get what I mean.
Okay. So now your children and your family, when you started, did anybody say, oh, I'm mad man?
Crazy guy.
You say you're mad?
Exactly. Yes.
Say my idiot, you're mad.
Crazy guy. So, and there's a lot of magazines same that write about the crazy guy. But then they start to call, when everyone starts to ask the question why crazy, then they start to put it just as good crazy. Because they couldn't change it from crazy anytime, so they start to say good crazy.
So when you become successful, you're not crazy no more.
No more. It's good crazy.
So, this is what I've experienced throughout doing anything in an individual or working with the spirit, when you get to a certain point, there was a point when you were doing it, and in yourself you say, you know what, why were you making income, were you struggling, how did you do the foundation, how did that finance?
Contribute to the service, and that's what I say, but I didn't really do it for any personal business. So it's like
You're just punching.
They're like a kid in the backyard, keep picking up stuff, and that's what it become. From one stick to another. Like,
So did you have to rent the thing to...
no, I didn't rent it because I didn't have it in the plan at all. It was just like a kid in the backyard doing something.
Well, how do you get the big wood down there?
They were like punching in the service. It was just me alone, but I still get them too. But this is the second one because the challenge that I have here in 2004 is the hurricane that wiped out completely. So this is the second one. The first one was built by me alone. The second one now, the second one built because guy after it became a barn, guy work, so we come together and build this one, and from building to reinforce, and this is what it is.
Virgin, this is Jamaica Good Life, one of the best experiences. A pleasure to meet you. I'm Randy Pottinger. Blessings. Thank you. You're doing a great work for the country. Blessings. You know, crazy no more. You're a national hero.
Yes, I. Blessed.
Marcus Garvey.
Yes,
love.
I. Blessed. Land of the King.
Yes, love.
Yes,
So you know, love. Greetings. Thank you.
Yes, I.
So this is Pelican Bar, owned by a Rasta man who they said, so the people thought the money was crazy because it was out doing this, and look at what it's become, a bar in the middle of the ocean.
And unique, for sure.
This is what dreams are made of. Whatever your passion, whatever you feel, now listen to nobody. A long time, no man try to stop me that long break. No, this Jamaica Good Life experience, it gets better.
Every day.
Yeah, man.
You can see license plate, you see everything.
Yes.
I was looking for the great New Jersey. Yeah, New Jersey. I don't think LA. All these places in America, and somebody visit you.
I have a lot of great places. Probably, I don't know. Wow, right there, this is
Me. That of the living.
So do you think they came, saw all the other license plates, and the next time they came, they brought theirs? Look at that. That's so cool. You know, man, I said, I will get that Jamaica Good Life stick out there, you know.
Yes. When you put this on TV, it's gonna when they come and they say, oh my God, here we go. We are the world.
I hope they're still together. Look at that Daisy. Hello. Sash. It's a life, you know. This is capturing a journey. We have to live something, you know. We have to live something, man. I'm going to take off one of them, man. And leave it.
You know, YouTube funny.
We just match it
if you're in the bar, if you have to push us in the bar,
yeah. Jamaica Good Life. This is Jamaica nice. I'm telling you, Patrick. Remember, say the first time, I don't know, reach the spring yet in Portland.
You know, good thing this thing, man.
That's the same thing there?
It just smells so good. I want to go back again before I go. Not before I go, I talk about. Just go back there again and get.
What do you mean?
Oh boy. The bikini people.
King, I'll give you this. You can just need to put a magic marker, YouTube, and stick him up.
Alright.
So we'll leave that with you. So you can put it close, because when you go YouTube and start searching up on the playlist and see the culture we will upload, maroon dance, verbal video, you're gonna see it. It's a spiritual upload.
Alright.
So you're gonna love it. So hold that as a gift. You see what I say? And make present it to the world in a prominent position. Love. Huh?
Oh, you ain't want to get man.
Where's that?
You like it.
Okay. So I give him the thing. Yeah.
They might be cool with that.
Come on, just relax. Eh? You not seen that? Him double.
These are good things that simply have to hold it.
You know, man, we'll get your link, you know, Carl. I know, so you have the big fun. Hey, man, tell us it's good enough. The experience good. It's good.
Yeah, ask me, I tell you.
No, man, I ask you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, tell me the experience good.
It's good, it's good. Lick it, Deacon. Lick it, lick it. Yes, sir.
No, man, they know the melody. And sometimes there's some like Not the new stuff, the old stuff. Without the electronic. Why you
That's why I say
Give thanks, brother.
You have the lighter.
I think so. That is good.
Agreed. Texas. Nova Scotia. I'm not in Canada. Colombia. Yeah, but I'm not sitting on it every day. Toronto.
Oh, no, Toronto. Alberta, I've been over Scotia, okay.
Florida, okay.
Florida, okay.
Illinois.
I think.
You have to go bring one plate to the place. Bring one plate. When the seat you have to work one jaw at a time. Work one jaw and then make you switch up with the other one. Everybody will smell that and then go walk up.
You want to sit on over here, sir?
No, man.
This is the secret.
Oh, want to see this?
Right there, sir.
Oh, okay.
This is one more thing.
Our boatman gone again. One more trip.
And you say you have fish, shrimp.
We have fish, shrimps, lobster, and chicken.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. I'll let you know when I'm ready to go. Okay. Are we not play music? Are you?
And them play music.
Okay.
No, we can do that too.
Yeah?
We got it right here. We can definitely do that.
Oh!
Yes, partner. Respect. Business associate.
Good man.
Everything good.
Jamaica, good life. We did it.
Chubby, I'm so sorry. Chubby. Chubby. Next time, maybe next time, Chubby. Maybe next time. Lambert, you ready to buy the food for the big cookout?
Yes, man.
And Chubby now go there?
One of them things they can't everywhere one time.
Who am I tell you say?
But let me tell you this lady who's never played it, you know. The boat come.
Tip waiter.
Look how far out.
How much closer do you want to get, people? Look at it. How much
Look how far out
closer?
you still walk. Look at they're standing up in it.
Yeah.
And the more you walk down along the beach, they're standing up in
Yes. That's good.
Why you never come in for the beer? Why you didn't come in for the drink? You have to go back.
You can't cook your food in this water, yeah.
it. Go be salty. Real salty.
This is Lumber, give thanks.
I see that
Now we
bill.
just cut right across.
Straight over.
Get your man quick. Get somebody else out.
love your job? Get a lot of business because it don't have no main entrance or good life. It's your nation.
Serving your kids
t-shirt just come in. Jamaica Good Life just come in. Right now it's hot. Get your exclusive Jamaica Good Life shirt at jamaicagoodlife.com. It just come in hot. It's so hot right now. T-shirt I wear itself. It's hot. jamaicagoodlife.com. Get your shirt right away. Exclusive. We'll pull it off soon. Only exclusive members for the fans. Them they will do from day one. Hot. Yes, so me as a Randa says it's hot. Love. It's hot. It's so hot it a blow itself. It's hot. The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. Yeah man, the Jamaica t-shirt just come in. Jamaica Good Life just come in. Right now it's hot. Get your exclusive Jamaica Good Life shirt at jamaicagoodlife.com. It just come in hot. It's so hot right now. T-shirt I wear itself. It's hot. jamaicagoodlife.com. Get your shirt right away. Exclusive. We'll pull it off soon. Only exclusive members for the fans. Them they will do from day one. Hot. Yes, so me as a Randa says it's hot. Love. It's hot. It's so hot it a blow itself. It's hot.
Anybody want soup?
Yeah, man. You want a coat, huh? Jack Sprat. Oh, so this is Jack Sprat. Okay.
So we're not staying here.
No, no, no. We're going to Frenchman's Beach. So this is just a restaurant. Famous Jack Sprat.
When you're lying next to me, and I'm so glad we've got it.
Jamaica, good life. Man called Randy Passenger on the Lambert Experience number tour. We're doing it so you can do this some more. Yes, we're doing this so that you guys can always enjoy yourself. This is the famous Trinity Beach Jack Sprat. See? The movement of reggae and everything. The culture. So now, tell us about tell about Jack Sprat. What's the history of Jack Sprat?
Jack Sprat could eat no fat. His wife could eat no lean. But they both lick the platter clean.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
That's the deacon. Yeah, man. Jack Sprat. Okay. Okay. Easy. Relax. Treasure Beach. Frenchman Bay. Living at Jamaica, good life. Drinking the rum cream. Over 700 videos, people. I hope you love the program. So much fun to do it. That's a guest house. Deacon,
Yes, sir.
how you liking the beach?
I'm liking this one.
You've never been here?
Never been here first time. I've heard of it for many a moon, but I've never been here until today.
This is my first time.
Our first visit. Right there. See it? Right the way it broke?
Yeah.
Jump on it right there.
Treasure Beach.
Let me go see where I can put this.
JGL forever.
December what, the 23rd?
23rd, yeah. 2019. Yeah. It's Patrick. That's Dolores Deacon. Pat and Dell. Oh my gosh. You're the first one. Oh my gosh, you guys like a pioneer. We're not a pioneer. We're not a pioneer. Yeah man, we're not a pioneer of the thing. We're not the first. Pat and Dell. Jamaica good life forever. With love.
Alright.
You did it.
Oh man, I get it.
No. We gotta be on the other end. The sun is in here. Yeah, here we go, baby. Don't go too far. Sun behind you.
The birds.
You gotta send out video, dude.
Yes, man.
Alright, you good? We're rocking and rolling. Alright.
Rolling and rocking and rolling.
The birds. The Jamaica good life. La da 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 dee da da. Da 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 da.
That's a video.
The birds.
The sun is going down.
Jamaica good life.
I said the beach looks so good. It looks very good. That you want to come. You're going to want to come and visit us in Jamaica. I'm going to tell you people. I'll give you an amen. I'll tell you about the people in Jamaica. They be wonderful. I'll tell you about the sunshine. I'll tell you about the beach. I'll tell you about the beaches too. Yeah.
Brother.
I think you got enough for you.
Give me to me one time. Give it to me 2 times. Give it to me 3 times. Give it to me 10 times. This is Jamaica Good Life. You gotta take the tour. You gotta book soon. This is the life I've been telling you about. This was the dream. I had a dream that one day all Jamaicans would come back home and go to the beach and go to the river and buy a house and plant a tree.
And we be the first one. We be the first one.
You're the first.
Just set the trend.
You are the trendsetter.
We are the trendsetter.
We're not pioneer.
We are the... Look.
Trendsetter, you just set history, Patrick. Lambert!
Watch out! Why you not show me stick for? The man that picked up the axe, he got the bottle of it.
Where they in the pen? And like, why you say they were in the pen? Because they look
Lambert, you with your line, so.
You know what I
I put in a water. I put.
Let me
lift him up and throw him in the water. Let's lift him up and throw him in the water. Okay. The people that say my family that.
Go stand up in front. Go stand up there, sir. You need to put your name, Lammy. I'm going to use my hand now for do Randy.
Alright. Put Deacon down. Anywhere you want to put it.
Deacon, don't make it bigger than mine. Oh no. Number, why you always have to be cursing? There you go, man. Stand up right there, bro. Yes, bro. That's Jamaica Good Life, guys. The best. This, what we're gonna say, Jamaica Good Life beyond tourism. That's the brand for the tour. Jamaica Good Life beyond tourism. All right. This is the Beyond Tour. Hold on, Rasta, not so much time. I need to try my name again. Right? Eh?
2019, the 23rd. Yes, focusing on that really good now.
Yes, you were here. Okay?
Now let me connect the dots. Let me connect the dots.
You want a stick?
I'm
Doing it. Doing it. Get in there. Kurt, what the hell? No, go wrong. You're wrong. I didn't want to get wet. I didn't get through. The minute you complete that, you know, the wave come up.
Yeah.
As you could complete it, the wave come up. I hope I catch it.
I think you catch it. Do not bring sand to the
I
beach.
didn't remember nothing about it no more.
Yeah, man. Nice.
Get out them fungus. That's a fungus. That's a fungus.
Circle. Seal up. Everything seal. This is Treasure Beach. We came, we saw, and we
had fun and raised plenty here.
We screamed. Yeah, man, Jamaica Good Life. That is the guy. Personal chef, driver, place you stay. Oh, this is the place you come through, right? Yes, people. This is Randy, founder, 15 years in going, preserving our culture, making our culture positive so our children can see what we have, the beauty. We're blessed. So create a change and balance in your life and own this life. Balance your life. So when you meet, become a member, meet with Lambert, and he'll take you on our sacred journeys. Okay? This is the experience of a lifetime. Yeah, man. Jamaica good life. You know, Satoshi.
Share the love, brother. We get fat. All about getting fat, Lambert.
Give thanks and blessings to the people that made this all possible.
Patrick and Dolores got the place. No place. Show up your face and nice up the place. Better beach. Go on the place. Eat on the place. Go Portland to meet Silver. Go place. Cool but no silver. As always tea but no hot. Come on. As always tea. Jamaica in the spot. From we come from Canada and we come a down.
Yo, you just took my bonnet so well.
You know what you're doing now. You big man, woman, right man, but you know saying strong. Yeah.
Yeah, we did it, Lambert. We did it, man. We
All
did
time,
it.
all time.
And you know the thing about it? What is supposed to happen? The world, come take it, come take it. I phone it this. We do it for honor.
Yeah, man.
And then welcome back home.
Anytime.
Welcome home.
Anytime. Anytime.
Yeah. Welcome home, people.
I mean, I get fat inside here, I can't get fat again. Huh? Consumer, lot of food for the last 2 months. You keep on coming, and you keep on devouring it.
But you say, your name can't get fat again. Can't get fat again next year. If me never get fat again this
Last
year.
We're not going to get fat again next year.
No fat again. Everybody get hot again. No, more fat again. Can't get fat again this year. So we not get fat again next year. Better watch where you eat and get some beer. And watch when you wear, make it sure to eat there. Can't get fat again next year. Tell him, girl. Go on there, say, do your thing. Deacon, give me the 2-finger dance. Come through with it. 1. Get it, Deacon.
Doctor, we're going to see. And I prove it today with Delores.
What happened?
Delores? Stomach was
I ate
everything,
something that didn't agree with my stomach. And
Give her the remedy.
he told me to drink some.
Don't disclose it.
Okay.
Something.
And I had it. And I felt it went down in my stomach. And then it just pain gone.
Just like that.
No.
Let's Jamaica good life in here.
Yes.
Okay?
Yep.
With Lambert.
That's my old school. No time for the sickness.
We go to Clarendon and get in Milk River Bath. We not stop until we hard fix.
We don't want no bite, no ticks. We don't stop until we hard fix.
We don't want no bite, no ticks. If you get some fever, you feel rubber on some Vicks. We don't stop until we hard fix.
Big tune that you know. Man, I tell you, and then you go now, we go pick fruit.
Mispa.
We're gonna go Mispa. Let me tell you, this is a journey, man. No, man, this is a one-time in a life opportunity, you know. It's not. You know what I say?
Journey is an epic journey, man.
Boy, you never. I'm no Blue Mountain where I hit you. Deacon, you better get all your slippers and your water boat. This journey is the truth, man. It's nice, lovely, lovely, lovely. Throughout the country.
That way. You don't want to go love we don't want to live straight.
Yes, system work.
Yeah, man, you're right.
You see this road there?
You good now?
Yep. Leave it down.
Yeah, and we should end this off with our dance tonight.
Come on, either.
So now next time when we go to the grill, we check the boat out, go cook on the island with Mike.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, man.
Fish.
And scuba diving and thing, fishing, yeah.
Watermelon.
Yeah, man, we need for the Port Royal tomorrow. What you say? You know, so me after we're gonna go check out a view I just glimpsed, and it's heaven. You know, this is heaven. Look over here, sir. We're gonna creep up somewhere on the driveway there. So look here, sir. Lambert, look over there, sir. Look over there, sir.
That's worth it.
Pulling it.
Over here, sir. Is this for real? What a place a name? What name, sir? Seaview, Senti. The what? Beach of Love. So we can go driving now? Just Google Beach of Love. Great Bay.
Great day.
Great.
Man, you get some new ideas, some new locations.
Oh, that's right. Now look about that. I say, how call it a great bay. I want a fishing village right now.
It's great or grape?
Great bay.
Great.
Great. Right down there, sir. Right there, look about that, there, sir.
Right down there.
Yeah, right there, right.
Oh, right in between the trees.
No, man. This, sir.
Oh, this, sir.
This, sir. Deep, you can't go this. It's right there, right from Watch me, on the bottom of the coconut tree.
Okay, yeah.
I look up slant there, sir.
Yeah.
You want to see you can go bathe and stuff, but just I want to bathe in the beach.
So now, if we Google, how do we get there?
Yeah.
How do we get there?
You just follow this road there, sir.
Just follow it?
Road and you go to when you go to the gas station,
Yeah.
they call us a Pigeon Cross.
PJ
Right?
Cross.
We
Listen
go
to this,
Pigeon
Lambert.
Cross.
We're going over there.
You go to Pigeon Cross, you just keep left.
How long is it?
Only 20 minutes.
Oh, 20 minutes. It's called Great Bay.
Yeah, Great Bay. You go right to Great Bay. After you pass the police station, you continue straight on the road and continue left.
Yeah.
Right? When you come to the police station, just continue. And after you pass the police station, and if you want to go to Great Bay, you're going to take the left.
Okay, got it.
Right beside one house.
Got
Take
it.
a left. And go right round.
You know Airbnb?
Huh?
You don't Airbnb?
No, sir.
You don't rent your rooms?
No, not here, so one place right down there.
What's the name of it?
Seaview Villa, over there, I go now.
Seaview Villa. You rent that?
Yeah, we're right now. Yeah.
Okay, good.
There are rooms over there. So. About 13 rooms over there. So it's like
Eh?
just over there. So
And what's the rate for like a room?
about 4,000.
A night? And that gets you to all the attractions. Sea view.
Yeah, man. If you did this, you can't go everywhere. You can't go over there. So
Okay, Lovers Leap. Okay.
the whole about this, they call it GX. About GX.
No.
I don't know, that's a GX thing.
What is Jigs?
That's
we call a restaurant and guest house also.
Okay, got it.
If you depend, when you depend on the plane, you have Jakes and the Skywriter magazine.
Okay, this is it.
But down there, so you have Jakes on the other side. You have Taina Cove right up there, so it's not my girlfriend where you can see. You can see right there, so. That place right there, so.
That's
You can
it.
feel about seat.
Yeah.
See the little place right on right on the little building up there, so.
Yeah.
It's a guest house. Taina Cove, then call over there, so.
Wow.
When you go around there, so that's a different place. Yeah, Taina Cove right up there.
So this is the hot spot in St. Elizabeth.
Yeah, man, around down there, so.
Oh, so
You can, if you want to go to the beach end now, right, you can pass the Great Bay Road and continue straight round.
Where you coming from?
so it's about 20 minutes we get there.
Yeah, man, 20 minutes or less.
You see what push the adventure?
Not today.
Right?
We're gonna have to plan that one day.
And if you want, if you, you might have to ask one of them guys down there now to take you up on a tour if you go up on the bluff. Or just go up and get a boat and go around there.
And what around? Where is around it?
Around there.
Oh, this is just a ride.
Go look on it. There's some nice stone or something.
So you come to the take it, when you come to the gas station, you make a left.
Yeah, man, keep left at the gas station.
And you take it straight down there.
Yeah, you can take it straight in a Great Bay.
Okay.
You can't go Great Bay, you can't go Trinity Beach, you can't go the whole of the beach.
We don't want nothing from the right hand side. There's a beach on the left side.
If you can't, you go black river.
Yeah, we know all of that.
Right?
So we want
You
to
just
stay
keep
upon the
left,
side.
whenever you gas station, keep left.
Right? And let's keep left.
You're gone, just keep left,
right
no
here.
turn down here.
Okay, so
If you pass the police station now, and you come around the corner, if you pass the police station and come around, you'll see a left turn. You can't go down a Great Bay. If you want to continue the Treasure Beach end, you continue straight.
Okay.
And when you continue straight, you have to turn off nowhere, right? You start to see the beach as soon as you go down. At least when you go to one spot, you will see the beach like right in front of you like this.
So literally you drive on the seaside.
No, not actually in the seaside, but the seaside is right here.
It's beautiful.
So you go down there, and you can pass one place, you can call it Great Pond, right? As long as you continue to the beach, and you pass the Great Pond.
Okay.
But flood more time.
This is the way we don't want to go.
No.
Where the guys come from?
Manchester.
Manchester, New York, and Canada.
Okay.
You live here for a long time?
Yeah, man.
A year or place this?
My auntie place this, cousin this.
Oh, yeah, shit.
How much quarter you can land this run?
Oh, if you go 5, 4, 5 already, depends on how much part you buy.
If I have some.
5 or so, 5.
Because if you want.
You pay for the water, the light, and the view.
And the view.
You understand? And you pay for the cable too.
Wow, Brazil, this is amazing.
Roughly about that. If you wait a little longer here and just pitch back all in the early, the late evening, when you see the sun pitch. You can go on the top side right up there, so you jump there and clear them in 3 days. You see.
Okay. All right, Jamaicans. You see, we discover now Great Bay, St. Elizabeth. Yes. Clear. A virgin. I've never seen anything like this. Are you guys seeing the different? Okay, this is. I think this is gonna be one of my top views. And St. Elizabeth, you have answered. Let's do a little color correction here. I want you guys to see different things. Yes. Look at this. This is Jamaica Good Life. This is Jamaica Good Life. Treasure Beach, Great Bay. People's homes, families. This is how people live in Jamaica. So we've shown you Norway, we've shown you Great Bay. You just Google that. Book the Lambert experience. It's a unique experience. You just buy your ticket and don't worry about anything else. All you gotta do is buy your ticket. In our whole vacation world, do not plan vacation. Planning, you gotta get that out of your life.
You got to live. You don't plan vacation. You just buy your ticket and call us and book the experience. That's it. Your personal chef, personal driver, personal location. Go to the farm, go to the beach, go to the rivers, go to the dances. All safety, protection, and love. Whether you're a returning resident or you're a foreigner, do not plan vacation. We're gonna do away with that. Just buy your ticket and give us a call at 646-330-9150. 646-330-9150 on WhatsApp or direct. Do not plan vacation. Just buy your plane ticket. This is Great Bay in St. Elizabeth and Treasure Beach. Beautiful. Just amazing. Whew, breathtaking. Lovely. Don't plan vacation. Buy your ticket. Yeah man, the Jamaica t-shirt just come in. Jamaica Good Life just come in. Right now it's hot. Hot. Get your exclusive Jamaica Good Life shirt at jamaicagoodlife.com. It just come in hot. It's so hot right now. T-shirt I wear itself. It's hot. jamaicagoodlife.com. Get your shirt right away. Exclusive. We'll pull it off soon. Only exclusive members for the fans them they will do from day one. Hot. Yes, so me as a Randa says it's hot. Love. It's hot, it's so hot it a blow itself. It's hot.